so I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I'm not gonna like wait for people to hop on because I've got stuff to do today. All right, so I asked Facebook how to clean your Alex and Ani bracelets. And because I had a bracelet that I lost yesterday and I wore it all the time, I never took it off, and I can't, like, I'm obsessed with bracelets, so I can't go without bracelets. So I went to go try to use one of these to replace it, and look at them. Look at them. They're like really disgusting. Like really disgusting. All right. And hold on, somebody's sending me a message. Okay. And look at this one. Like, they're gross. Like, I know you probably can, it's kind of lighted in here, but I'll let you look at these compared to, well, my rings, okay? So they're very, very gross. They are black almost. Like, do you see the WVU? Like, do you see right there? They are very, 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 very dark. Oh, these are a good, okay. These are supposed to be silver. Do you see this? That's not silver. All right, so okay. I have a white gold necklace on. Like, it's supposed to be the same color as these. So we're gonna see if this trick works, okay? So I'm going to probably use, let's see, I'll just do the first one as my initials. Do you see how gross that is? They're supposed to be silver. Like, that is black. Black, okay. I'm gonna put it on this plate. We're gonna use the Heinz Ketchup. We're gonna try this. I have some Dawn dishwashing liquid right over here in a bowl that I put some warm water and some Dawn that I'm gonna rinse it off because I have a timer right here. That's kind of why I'm doing it right here, because I have a timer behind me. So it says to leave it on for 5 minutes, okay? So let's do this trick. We'll just do a couple of them. We'll do this silver one too. That's not supposed to be dark gray. We'll do more. Or just lick your fingers. Who likes ketchup? All right. There's another one. Let's do this one. And my husband's going to come home and we're not going to have any ketchup. And he's going to be like, what did you do? What did you do? That's not an Alex and Ani bracelet. Now, I'm kind of worried about these though. So I may just wipe the ketchup, okay? Do you see these? Like, these actually have beads on them. So I'm not going to submerge those in ketchup. I may just put a little bit of ketchup right here on the bottom and see if that works, okay? Because I have this one I bought in Florida. Like, I absolutely love that bracelet. And I don't know why I don't wear these more often than I should. I really don't. Okay, so let's put this timer on. Wake up. Timer, 5 minutes, timer on. All right, we're going to wait it out. Who's going to wait with me? Should I do some more? Should I put these to the side? Oh, I could do some more. I could get another plate. It's a little loud there. Let's get another plate and do some more. Let's just play while that 5 minutes is on those, okay? So let's do this J. Glad I'm going to Walmart. I'm gonna have to replace the ketchup. What is this one? Is this, like, what is this? Do you guys know what this is? I don't even know what this sign is. Hey y'all. Hey Erica. Like, what is this? Do you even know what this one is? There's that one. I don't know why I bought so many. I think they were a fad. Like, I'm not saying that people don't still wear them now, but I'm the type of person, I don't know if you guys raise your hands, give me some love, but it's a waffle. Yes. So, I am one of these people that if I find a shirt that I like, I have to buy 5 of them of the same color. So that's me. So whenever I started buying the Alex and Ani bracelets, like, which was a long time ago, thank you, I had to buy so many of them. So this one says love. Look how dark it is. Do you see that? Like, what is that supposed to be called? I don't know what that is around it, but like that, those little marks on there, they're not supposed to be there. And we'll have to put another 5 minutes on these. I'm not even gonna have time to clean these. I have to go get my tires on. Then here's a West Virginia one. I bought that one because they did not have a C for Corey. But I have a K for me and a K for Kara. And then I have a J for Jason. And then they didn't have a C, so I bought, at the time, a WVU, or West Virginia for Corey. All right, so there is my creations. Should I do more? So I have 3 more, and then I'm not going to do these. Like, look at this one. This one's like a rose gold beaded one. This one is my favorite. It's got iridescent beads in it, and they kind of pull purple because I'm obsessed with purple. It's like my favorite color. See? All right, so those are the beaded ones that I'll just take Ketchup. And this one I think is my almost favorite. Like this one, it has the skull on it. Like, look how dirty that is. But we are going to attempt the Ketchup thing. And this one is the paw print for my puppy dogs. And I bought that one because of X-ray too. I love skulls, but I bought that one for X-ray. And then this one I think was Kara's. I don't remember. I didn't buy this one. That one is just like a little flower. I don't know. But I bought that one. I think that one's Kara's. How much time do we have? We have 1 minute and 40 seconds left. I'm going to get another plate. Why not? And we'll do these 3. While the 5 minutes is up. Because I'm not going to keep you guys on here to do the rest of these. Like, I'm not going to have time to do all that. Like, my husband's already went and my tires are there. So I don't know how long it takes them to put them on. But I'm definitely going to have to buy some more ketchup. Okay. So we'll put these over here. It's like I'm making dinner. Right? Kind of looks pretty. 1 minute. I already made dinner. Look at this. I made homemade spaghetti sauce. I love spaghetti sauce. And yes, I'm eating carbs today because I already have my noodles over there. It's okay. It's okay. I can do this. I can have a cheat day with some spaghetti. All right, so we're just going to take the ketchup later. We're not going to do this one. We're not going to do these until I get home this evening to see if these work. So I'm going to have a beautiful brand new array of brand new bracelets if this works. All right, so these are the ones that we tried. So I'm going to wipe them down. We got 20 seconds. I did see a video that somebody did, and they let them set for longer than 5 minutes. But we're just going to do the 5 minutes right now. Like, it is 1:46, and I need to go get my tires on. I can't wait to see. Me too. Okay, stop. Oh, I need to put those on for 5 minutes. Hold tight. Okay, the second batch is counting down. Let's see if this works. Now, I feel like that I should have left them for a little bit longer. I'm getting ketchup all over my hands. But we're going to attempt this. Should I put gloves on? Like, I feel like I need to rub that. Yeah. I'm going to use some gloves because I feel like I need to rub that ketchup in. Watch this. We're going to rub it in. Did I start? I started on this one first. The K. We're going to rub that ketchup in. And then we're going to rinse it off. So you might want to get some gloves, okay? Because we're going to attempt this. Now, you can't really see if it's working because they have ketchup all over them. So, we're going to try it. Who thinks this is going to work? Has anybody tried this? Huh? Now we're going to do this one, roll it around. Can you guys see what I'm doing? Yeah, you can see. Hey, Valerie. Now I do realize that it's doing, I do see that it's helped on that. All right, let's put this in the water because you guys just need to see one. There's a little bit of Dawn in here, and now there's some ketchup. Rinse it off. Ah! Look, it's got like a bubble in it. I know, I'm crazy. I gotta make it work. All right, I'm pretty sure I'm a firm believer. I'm making a mess. All right, let's take my gloves off. Get this out. Rinse it off. So who do you think is going to work? So who's with me? Anybody think it's going to work? Huh? Huh? Let me see if there's mine's looking gross. Oh, well, I'm hoping it does. It definitely has. It definitely has got, look at that. The silver is back, y'all. Like, okay. All right. All right, I'm a believer. Look at this. I'm rinsing it off. Now, I probably could have left it. I'm going to leave those a little bit longer. Maybe I can leave and go get my tires on and come back. They'll be like red. All right, ladies, look at that. Silver is back. I don't know if I should have took a picture of like beforehand. I think it works. Yeah. All right, there's the crusty part. That's dirt. All right, we're good to go. Look at that silver. Do you see that? Whoop, whoop. There you go. It works. Yay. All right, I have to go get my tires put on and finish all this mess right here and clean up my mess. So thanks, y'all. Bye. Don't forget to share.